I love a good story. It's just a story where people just get it right. Management's so good, and I'm talking about Lululemon. It is surging after reporting strong holiday quarter sales and much more than that, issuing just tremendous full-year guidance, and, of course, faking out the people who believed somehow it was over. Have they ever been to a store? Joining us now exclusively is Lululemon CEO Calvin McDonald. Calvin, first of all, just congratulations straight out. I mean, you just nailed the quarter, so I want people just to hear from you. How do you deliver apparel numbers in an era where no one else can?
Well, thanks. Great to be back. It really does start, and I just need to acknowledge the incredible team that we have across the globe. They, every day, delight and deliver the brand and execute flawlessly. And I think it's consistently with what we've been talking about, product that is driven through innovation. It's unique and it's differentiated in the marketplace. Our unique approach to community and the guest relationship, and our D2C model that really at the center of it is about omni and convenience, and we continue to lead and innovate in that space.
You really have melded health and wellness with apparel. That's been something that a lot of others have tried, including Nike. You're, of course, familiar with Nike. How does it come together so quickly? Others have taken 10, 15 years to make this work.
It has been core to our purpose. We talk about helping and focusing on delivering the full potential, and I think well-being and wellness is an extension, a natural extension of that. And then during the pandemic, we saw that become a more driving force within the market and with our guests, and we're well-positioned. It's at our core. It's what we're committed to, and it's that much more important with our guests. So it's helping absolutely to fuel and drive the business through the last few years.
And before I turn over to Carl, I was going over with our friend Matthew Boss. Inventories are clean. You don't have any promotion coming this quarter, do you?
We've been saying we don't have an inventory problem for every quarter. Right. It was deliberate. We saw the momentum in the business, we saw the supply chain challenges, and we leaned in to have the goods to sell it, to feed and fuel the momentum. And we've been beating our guidance on managing that inventory down without markdowns through full price sale, and we've delivered on that. And we're confident we've guided to, again, in this quarter, having inventory up 30 to 35% at the end of it, in line with sales at the back half of the year. Half of it is core. It's not aged. We don't have an inventory issue. We leaned in deliberately. It's worked. It's fueled our business, and we're managing accordingly out.
That's interesting. The City Upgrade today talks about that. They talk about no sign of a sales slowdown. And then they say China poised to rapidly accelerate. Is that part of the momentum you're trying to lean into?
We're excited about our business in China. It's part of our Power of 3x2 plan to quadruple our international, and China plays a big part of that. And in the quarter, our business was up 30%, 50% on a 3-year CAGR, and that's with a lot of COVID disruption. We saw at the end of the quarter an acceleration. Surprised me with how quickly China came back for our business. Excited about the momentum in Q1, and it plays a big part in our growth story moving forward.
So, some have argued that the reopening has had a delayed effect in getting to the Chinese consumer. You don't see that?
Not in our business. Not at all.